maybe half of the nails, 1/3 of the nails.
Try to give a smile line straight.
No, I do straight. Okay, here for 30 seconds. Me too, I'm full crazy. Hey Shauna, purple one. Oh my gosh, Shauna, I'm putting that, what is that, the teal one? Purple one looks good, right? But purple ones I wanted to do for the different one. I want to do this one. I want to use this set and see how it turned out with the purple ones because there's so many cute ones. I can't help it, it's so many. And it's really hard to, what is that, the collections right here? Is Shea Nut. This set collection, I'm sorry, as I open it, is the number 28, darling. It's have all cool, different newest designs, flowers and everything. Okay. Let me see. Oh, let me see if I can get whole and tie this roses. They probably only stick on wherever I'm applying my transfer foil. Give it a good press. Rub it on. I'm missing this spot. Maybe I didn't have the glue, the transfer foil glue there. It's only stay on with transfer foil glue if it doesn't have. Nope, I don't think I have the glue on it, so that's why the I mean transfer foil. So I'm going to I have this sticker. My shirt look. It doesn't have to. I'm gonna put some strips over it, but I'm going to do crystal on anyway, so I want to put this strips. This is really cool though because this one glow in the dark. I can put that one in, but then also I want a crystal too, so I'm using condensed glue gel, really thick density. And I am going to apply probably more on this part, something on that. Can you wipe it up? And make sure you blend it because it's really thick density. It's perfect for flat back 3D crystals, charm and chains. And next I'm going to using a no wipe top coat. Floating on the top. And let's see what we have, the frames right there. Oh, I got my rose gold. And have that super cute frame right there. And this one is flat, but I'm gonna show you how I can get that. Just for your information, I'm just laid it right there. I can do both of them at the same time and lay it flat right there and place the two, press it on. Can Instagram and Facebook can see me. Just really awesome. It's so handy. And I just play this. You don't have to hold on the hand. You can just like lay on your stations and have it. Hold on. I think it better if I'm holding my hand. You lay it there and press it. And gonna come out nice and a little bit curved for me. If I want to do it again to make it more like her, just doing it again. Oh, it's nice and curved now. One and do another one. This one's so tiny, so it looks good. It's come off. Okay, this one can go with the smaller frame. Sorry, Instagram. Hello, welcome back to our live tutorial. Sorry, Instagram, it was off in like an hour. So we're back now. Great. Soaring kite, I think. It was really cool and stunning. I'm gonna do crystals and a rose gold at the same time. Hey Shana. Oh yes, I will definitely gonna put some crystals on it. Shana, I will definitely do it. I can't finish it without adding some crystal on. I didn't have the glue gels on my hand. Here you go, Shana. There's gonna be a hello, ladies. Thanks so much for tuning back in. Hi, Hilda. Hilda and it. Happy birthday to you, sweetie. Hope you have a great birthday. Wish you nothing but the best for the next coming years. It's gonna be so stunning. That's awesome with a lot of achievement you've been doing. So proud of you. Okay. I just want a bigger frames and one smaller, like kind of a triangle. this one just a little bit right there, and now put some bead on it. Try to get closer. Hold on, too far away, I can't see it. Can everyone see okay? Because it's so bright on my ends, I can't see anything. Like basically I'm literally blind. Okay. As Shana, I would suggest earlier too, and then probably you want to see it too, is like purple. Purple, it looks good too. Like, you know what is gonna look good too? Even the light pink or black color, I think will looks really good as well. Great, so if you're happy with this, and you're gonna cure under LED lights for 60 seconds. It's so different though. I don't know. Maybe it take me a while to used to with that because I'm not used to with all this different design like that. But hold on, one more, just tiny one. Maybe right there. Okay, now it's good now. Great. Awesome, we did like 3 different designs and we did like 3 different shapes already. We're sorting kite. I would like to show in all different shapes so then you will never afraid of the clients will say, oh, Nancy, I would like to get this shape and oh, it doesn't look good, you know, but actually it's going different. Like you see, I always doing it on the other way, shield. This time I'm going my shield's opposite, so it's just really cool though. It's just I would say just always challenge yourself and you will never know you're gonna get something is really cool, stunning designs out of it. So the next one, the last one we have is the purple ones, and we're gonna do raindrop for this, but I want to try any of this. Did we do this one last time? Hold on. Did we do this one last time, did we? We didn't do this one last time. Or maybe we did. I don't know if we did that. Or we can do the pink one. I will using a precision glue again. If you're first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and such. And I am using this to really double secure all of oh, I feel scratchy right here. Let's just squeeze a little bit. Smaller amounts go a long way, and between this edges right there, so it's gonna help not only double secure but also it will keep, you know, all that frames and crystal and the beads from catching clients' hair or their clothes. I feel that too if I get, you know, scratchy on the nails. I usually have to like make sure I seal it really well. So that's why it won't catching on my hair for the next 3 weeks. And I am going to using a twin tip brush, but on the other end, give it a little bit swipe to blend all the extra precision glue. Okay. Here for 60 seconds and this nail is done.